How's it going, YouTube? I'm back. Me and my friend Tony are walking to the studio.
What's up?
That's Tony. We're actually on our way to the studio right now to go record some music, and we had nothing to do, so might as well just make a video for YouTube. Look, watch. Say hi, Tony.
What's up, man?
Well,
What's up, guys?
This is Tony. He's actually my drummer, and right now we're just gonna go fuck around at the studio. We're just gonna make music, see what comes up, and we're actually gonna be recording over there. So after this recording, what we're doing right now, we're gonna pause it. Once we get to the studio, once we pay for the hour, we're gonna be jamming. We're gonna record it live. So once I send it to YouTube, you guys can actually watch it there. And see, we're actually walking. It's actually a really nice place to be walking at, but it's actually pretty dangerous at night when you're walking alone.
Oh, yeah.
So if you guys ever come to like Panorama or anything like that, make sure you bring one friend, even if he's just bring one friend and you'll be safe.
Bring a pocket knife, too. Pocket knife.
Yeah, bring a pocket knife just in case. And fucking this car almost comes and crashes us. And look, there's another car behind us. Ah! And but yeah, fucking I have my guitar in the back of me. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's right there. Sorry if you guys hear a vibration on my phone. Somebody notified me on Facebook. I also have a Facebook page. No, not a page, but a Facebook profile. If you guys want to follow me on Facebook, their name's Ramiro Lopez. I'll put it in the description below. You can also follow Tony on Facebook. Go, Tony, you tell them your information.
Follow me on Facebook. My name is Tony. And my last name is Lopez, too.
No, it's not.
So it is.
It's Gutierrez. He's not my brother.
We have it at Record Chairs. And then, yeah, pretty much.
And you heard it from Tony. But
Follow me on Instagram, too.
What's your Instagram?
My Instagram is... Look up.
You don't even have an Instagram, do you?
I do.
Well, he says he has an Instagram, so I'll believe
Follow
him.
me.
Oh yeah, so he's following me. I also have an Instagram. Follow me on Instagram at Ramiro_the_God_22. Once more, Ramiro_the_God_22. But yeah, and look at the beautiful sky right now. Look at it. Really nice. It's a nice place to be around right now.
Very peaceful, very quiet, you know.
Yeah, and I'm sorry for like a lot of shaking with the camera.
You can hear the sights and sounds.
Yeah, you could also hear the sights and sounds. We're like, I'm far away from home actually. I live all the way in Pacoima. That's like in California.
I live like nearby.
He lives nearby the studio.
So, you know, I'm good, you know.
Yeah,
Not too worried about.
true. But like I said, I am gonna end the video right here. Please hit the like button if you guys can. Please subscribe and drop a comment down below. Insults, anything, doesn't really matter. If it's insults, I'll probably just I don't know, I'll whip my dick on the fucking comment section. Alright? So this is me saying goodbye, and Tony,
Peace.
laters.